this video, we will show how to program the current time of day and, if necessary, change the number of days between regenerations. First, press the menu button and the time will start to flash. Using the arrow down or up buttons, you can change it to the current time of day. Make note that the longer you press and hold the button, the faster the time will change. Be aware you'll need to make sure that AM or PM time is being shown. Once you've set the time, press the Set Regen button to lock it in, and the screen will advance to the number of days between regenerations. For this example, the factory setting is 3 days. If you need the unit to regenerate more frequently or less frequently, use the arrow down or up buttons to change the number of days. For this example, the factory setting was 3 days, so we're going to leave it at 3 days. Then press the Set Regen button to lock it in, and you'll be taken back to the main display screen.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.